Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101, and today doing a kind of unboxing slash kind of review of the Life Gear flashlight slash lantern. And when me and my wife were shopping at Costco, we saw these flashlights and the lanterns, and the price point of these when we bought them was $14.99, so pretty much $15. So it pretty much breaks down that each flashlight is $5 a piece, which actually isn't too bad. And as you can see here, there's 5 light modes: LED flashlight, LED lantern, flashlight slash red flasher, red glow, red safety flasher. So also too, as you can see here, it kind of gives you some details of what it kind of looks like too. And what we're going to do now is also too, here's the specs too of the modes. So if you want to pause the video, you can pause it. But if not, what we're going to do right now is we are going to unbox this. All right, guys, as you can see, we have the flashlights out of the box and the casings. And as you can see, here's the flashlight. Pretty simple. The lantern. And then this is actually the flashlight with the flashing red light. And to take these off, it's pretty simple. You just take it, slide it off. And next thing you know is you change it, and that shuts them off. Now, just to kind of give you a heads up that these aren't super bright, but you know, that's okay. It's just, you know, for an emergency use. But one of the features it says on here is that when you put this in water, it will start flashing red. So what we're going to do now is we're going to fill up a bucket to see if it actually works. So stay tuned. All right, guys, one more thing that we did do before we did this test was one is to change the batteries out, just to make sure that, you know, sometimes people are using the flashlights, testing them. So we changed the flashlight battery out, and they were the same when we tested with one that was already had the batteries it came with. So, but one thing forgot to mention, that it does have this cool little like ring on there so you can hang it or whatever. So now what we're gonna do is, for the test, it says once this hits the water, it's supposed to start flashing red. So we're gonna put it to the test and see if it does what it's supposed to do. As you can see, as soon as it hit the water, it's automatically flashing red, which is pretty cool in the bucket there. So that's pretty cool. It's doing what it says to do. So that is a nice feature. So you know, if you're on a boat, and if you're, you know, if these would be kind of good to have. So if something happens and you take on water, these would be kind of good to have. So it would show, you know, like a distress signal of, hey, you know, flashing red light if you're at nighttime. So now what we're going to do is we're going to clean the flashlight up and kind of wrap the video up here for you in a second. All right, guys, this is going to conclude this video and this kind of unboxing to testing out these flashlights slash lanterns. As you can see, flashing the red light also has the light there. Also, just regular lantern, then you have a solid red. All in all, I think these are really good flashlights to have around your house, or for me, I'm going to put in my light box kit, the power outage kit. And but also just, you know, maybe to have you around. As you saw, it worked good as soon as it hit water. So, and also too, when you did hit water to stop it flashing, all you had to do was just push the on off button, and that turned the flashing red light off. So very good feature, and it takes 3 AA batteries too. So all in all, I really like these flashlights, especially for the multiple uses you can get out of this. You know, if you're interested, go to Costco, pick these up. I think for $5 a piece, it's not too bad, and you know, for the multiple functions you can use it for. So write down in the comment sections below if you think, you know, would you buy something? Would you buy these, or would you not? Also too, if you have any other comments or questions about these, you know, I'll try to answer them. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and if you haven't, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much. We will catch you guys down the road.